Hello friends, welcome to my channel Management Redesigned, Learn to Win. Friends, in the series of discussion of various terminology of share market, today we are going to discuss intraday trading. You might have heard this word intraday trading. So we are going to discuss this today. In intraday trading, buying and selling of the shares happened at the same day. That means if you want to buy and sell the shares, so it will happen the same day, that is the same day. I mean, the share market starts at 9:15 and ends at 3:30. So if you want to do the intraday trading, you have to buy and sell the shares at the same day. Similarly, if you want to sell, you can sell, that is the short sale. So in intraday trading, anything happens on the same day. Now the question is, do you do intraday trading for investment? The answer is clearly no. Is it for investment? No, it is not for investment. It is for the trading purpose. Like any other commodity, we buy and sell the commodities. This is also a kind of commodity if you are pursuing the intraday trading. So intraday trading is for buying and selling on the same day. So you consider shares as goods. So it is not for investment. If it is for investment, you hold the shares for some time, for at least 1 to 2 years. So it is not the investment. It is just trading. It is trading like goods and other commodities. Okay. So the question is how you are going to perform intraday trading. It is very important to know that there are some mechanism through which you have to do it. You must have, obviously you must have a demat account and trading account through which you have to place the order, and for that you need to have a demat and trading account, of course. And if you want to have that demat and trading account, the link in the description box will tell you about a very good company, that is Upstox. You can open the demat and trading account with that link. And now when you place the order through the intraday mechanism, if you are buying, you have to sell it till 3:20 p.m. and if you are selling, so again you have to buy it at 3:20. If it doesn't happen, if you are unable to do so, so the system automatically will do it at 3:20. At 3:20, system will automatically sell or buy the shares. Okay, so this is the mechanism. Now what is the basis of intraday trading? There are some point on which you can do it. So the first point is volume. When you see, if you are watching, the volume of the shares of a particular stock is going and it is unusual, so you may have the idea of that, okay, volume is going up, so there might be the price hike or price may also go down. So you may have other data also. So coming to the next point of decision of intraday trading is the momentum. So what is it? The momentum is something that is extraordinary as compared to the normal trading. So momentum may be upward or momentum may be downward, so you have to play with that momentum. Okay, so it may go up. So as I said, the volume will tell you about the direction. So the momentum is something that was not there in the stock and now it is present. उस stock में वो पहले नहीं था, but right now it is there. So it will give you the clue that, okay, I select this stock, it will go either way. And the next point is market and stock trend. It will tell you many things. The market trend, market का trend क्या है? If it is going up, so majority of stock will be upward. Similarly, if a stock trend is upward or downward, so it is nothing with the market. So it is two different things. Market may be upside or downside, and stock may have some specific stock may have some specific kind of reason. This will provide the clue about this the market trend or stock trend, that the stock will go up or down. So similarly, you make a position in intraday trading. The next point is volatility. Volatility will also help you a lot. Volatility, how it will help you a lot. I mean, a stock is just going like this, you see, and if a stock is going like this, so it is a volatile stock. And if you are able to read the momentum or trend in totality, and if you are able to read this one, and if you are able to predict this one, and now you may make position here or there, you may make position of buying, you may make position of sell here. So if it is volatile, it is a good stock for trading purpose. This is all when you talk about intraday trading. So it is something like trading. So intraday trading is going to help you in several other ways. How it is going to help you? It is easy. It is very easy to place the order. Okay, it is easy and it is not so costly. You may make a position. So friends, intraday trading can be placed. You can place intraday trading, and it is one of the most popular way of performing stock trading. So intraday trading is not like you start trading and you will get success. It is very tough. You have to make a lot of research. Okay, so research will help you out to read the data, and on the basis of that data you may make position on the basis of that data. So intraday trading is not like gambling, that you just start investing in a particular stock and you hope that the stock will go up. It is not. It is based on solid research. If it is based on solid research, the chances of selection in intraday trading will very high, and you will get success. So friends, I hope that the discussion on intraday trading is going to help you a lot to decide on the selection of the stock. So I hope that it will give you some value. If you find that the channel is providing you valuable information, can you press the like button and subscribe to my channel, Management Redesign Learn to Gain. Thank you.